Hello everyone! So this is my small haul from Walmart. So I able to buy the Centrum vitamins. It's not available in CVS stores, so I just bought it in Walmart. And then the Colgate 3 value pack have $3 rebate in Ibotta, and I got that for free. The $1 coupon from Smart Sort Insert attached on the Colgate. And then the Gain, I bought also the Gain, and then the Clorox, and then the Scotch Brite. There is Swagbucks rebate on that. So I bought 4 Centrum. So it's 65 tablet and it's priced for $6.76. So I able to bought 4 Centrum and use 4 coupons. So I'm on the checkout. So what I did is I scanned first the item. And then after that is the coupon. And then scan the item, then coupon. Scan the item, and then coupon. And last is same thing also, scan the item, then coupon. So the Walmart in our area is not strict to the coupon as long as you're using the right coupon. So I able to bought 4 Centrum, and this is the receipt. So it's $6.76. Then after the coupon, I only paid $2.76. So it's a nice deal for the vitamins. And then the remaining is here. So all the coupons work. I use 4 coupon for vitamins. And this is from April 25 Save Insert. And then the Oral-B toothbrush, this 3-pack is priced for $1.97. And then I use also 4 coupon for this from April 25 P&G insert. So same thing, scan the items and then coupon. Scan the items, then scan coupon. Scan the items, then coupon. Then scan the items and coupon. So there is an overage for that because the coupon is $2. So here is $1.97, then coupon. So there is 3 pennies overage. Then the other Oral-B. So I got 4 total of coupon, $8, and I got 3, 6, 9, 12 cents of overage for the Oral-B. That cover from the other items. So I got free toothbrush. And then the Colgate 3 value pack is priced for $3.96. So I bought 5. And the expiration is January 2023. And I use $1 coupon in every item. So the same thing also. Scan the item and then coupon. Item, then coupon. So I use 5 coupons. And this is the receipt for that. So here is $3.96, then coupon. $3.96, then coupon. So $3.96, then coupon, then item, coupon, and item and coupon. So all the coupons work. It did not beep. And then the Gain is priced for $1.87. So we need a dish liquid. And this is 21.6 ounce. So I bought 4 Gain Ultra with lemon. And then 1 Gain Ultra with honeyberry scent. And I'm able to use also 5 coupon for the Gain. So the same procedure, scan the item, then coupon, item, coupon, item, coupon, then item, coupon until the to the last Gain. So this is the receipt. So here is the item, and then coupon, item, then coupon, and all the coupons work. The 5 coupons work. So I paid total of $30.34 including the tax. And then I got $15 rebate in Ibotta. So after the rebate, my total is $15.34 or 85 cents each. I paid a lot because I bought the Centrum vitamins. And then I bought also the Gain Liquid. So for me, it's not a bad deal, especially I able to bought the vitamins in which it's expensive in CVS and Walgreens. And then the last items that I bought is the Scotch-Brite Advanced Scrap that's have a Swagbucks offer. So when you buy 2, you will get $6 Swagbucks. So the Scotch-Brite Advanced Scrap that is priced for $3.98. So I bought 2, and this is the note. So the 2 are $7.96, and then I got 600 Swagbucks equivalent to $6, making it $1.96 or 98 cents each. So I have not tried to use this, so I might try to use it in our pot. And then the Clorox, I bought 3 because there is a fetch offer. So the fetch offer is spend 15 and you will get 3,000 points. So last time I already bought Clorox. So I bought 3 and it's priced for $2.48. And this is the Clorox Splashless Bleach. So there is an offer in Swagbucks that when you buy 2, you will get 500 Swagbucks, and you need to buy the Splashless Bleach. So I got 500 Swagbucks for 2, and then I got 100 Swagbucks for the other one. So this is the receipt for that. So it's $2.48. And then I got total of 600 Swagbucks for the 3 Clorox, and then I got 3,099 points in fetch. So I completed my spend 15 and got 3,000 points. So it is equivalent to $3.09, making it free plus $1.65 moneymaker for the Clorox. So in overall, in the first transaction, I paid $30.34. The other transaction is $16.38. So total are $46.76. And then I got $15 rebate in Ibotta for buying 5 Colgate 3 value pack. And then I got $9.09 for Clorox, $6 for the Swagbucks, and then $3.09 for the fetch. Then I got $6 for the Scotch-Brite. This is a 600 Swagbucks. Total, my final out-of-pocket are $16.63 or 69 cents each. In which for me, it's not a bad deal, especially able to bought the Gain Liquid and also my vitamins. So I save a lot. So thank you so much guys for watching and have a blessed day everyone.